How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to get rid of bad breath from your mouth. So bad breath is also called halitosis, if you guys didn't know, and this affects 30% of people around the world. The odor happens in your mouth, your throat, and your tonsils, and believe it or not, everyone does experience this at least once in your lifetime. So do not feel embarrassed that this has happened to you. Now, we're going to go over this, what is the scientific principle behind this? Basically, what is the odor? What causes it? The odor is caused by a group of anaerobic, sulfur-producing bacteria that breed beneath the surface of your tongue, in your throat, and in your tonsil area. The term anaerobic means living without oxygen. So these bacteria, they do not require oxygen to live, you guys. So there's 4 common bad breath causes. The first one is probably the one that most of you will have, and that's called dry mouth. So this is caused from long periods of speaking, smoking, drinking alcohol, and even snoring. You know what? Maybe dry mouth isn't the one. Maybe it could be dry mouth or foods, in my opinion. So most people experience foul breath too in the morning due to a lack of saliva production. So all this has to do with dry mouth. As for foods, bad breath can be caused by onions and garlic because they contain smelly sulfur compounds. So again, we're going back to the sulfur compounds. Dairy, meat, and fish also contain dense proteins, which are used as a food source by the anaerobic sulfur-producing bacteria. Sugars also provide a food source for bacteria. Coffee and juice too, because they are acidic and they provide the bacteria with an ideal breeding environment. So stay away from those foods, you guys, and the drinks. So again, no onion, no garlic, no dairy, no meat, no fish, no coffee and juice, stuff like that. Again, it's not the end of the world. I do recommend having some meat here and then. I wouldn't go full vegetarian. Just try to limit it, in my opinion. Poor hygiene, poor dental hygiene, I should say. Bad oral care can cause bacterial buildup on the teeth and the gums. So make sure you guys are flossing and brushing at least twice a week or twice a day. There are some ways that you can fix bad breath at home. Use mouthwash and toothpaste that has been proven to get rid of bad breath. If you go to the store, it will say on it, proven to get rid of bad breath, I believe. You can also do a little bit of research and find the best ones for you. If you guys stay to the end of the video, I have one that I do recommend that you guys can buy. Very cheap, very affordable. Brush and floss your teeth. Again, you guys, do it at least twice per day. The reason for this is that it removes any plaque or food from your teeth. Then you will get rid of the bad breath. You can also prevent dry mouth from chewing lots of gum. Fruits and vegetables high in fiber will also get rid of bad breath, you guys. Now, one thing that I have found out too is that bacteria found in bad breath, it strives in an acidic oral environment. So acidic is key here, you guys. So one thing that I have found that works is brushing with baking soda. That's right, brush your teeth with baking soda. Don't do it often, just do it the occasional time. This will neutralize the acid, you guys, in bad breath. So make sure you give this a go. And other people have tried it out. It does work. It is proven. Give it a try. Another thing too is drink water regularly. This helps prevent dry mouth. Drinking water has also other health benefits aside from getting rid of bad breath. So all around, drinking water is very important. Make sure you are drinking 8 glasses per day. We have talked about high fiber. It is the key. So make sure you avoid anything that's processed, chips, muffins, ice cream. Stay away from that. Some drinks that you can drink is drink green tea and black tea. This contains polyphenols, sorry if I butchered that, and this gets rid of the sulfur compounds and it will reduce your bad breath. So again, the sulfur compounds, that's what causes it, you guys. So anything that can neutralize it, get rid of it, that is your key. Avoid drinking too much, not too much alcohol. Alcohol makes your mouth dry. It also dehydrates you. This will lead to dry mouth, which will lead to bad breath. Stop smoking too. Smoking will lead to dry mouth. It will lead to bad breath. Another way too is cinnamon. Cinnamon contains aldehyde, I believe that's the word. It's an essential oil that covers up bad breath. So I recommend you put the cinnamon in your tea. That's what I personally do. Or you can also boil some water and just put it in the water. It's very easy to do. Some more things that you can try are cloves, parsley, and lemon juice. All help to reduce the bad breath. Parsley has a chlorophyll in it that neutralizes the bad breath. So again, it neutralizes the acidic from the bad breath and it will get rid of it. As for the parsley, nothing to do here. All you have to do is chew on it. Sorry, that's for the cloves. For the cloves, all you have to do is chew on it. For the parsley, you can blend it up and make it in a shake if you want to. Another thing that I found to be very helpful was cleaning your tongue. That is right. When you brush your teeth, make sure you clean your tongue. The top of the tongue is a place that has bacteria, and it's also at the back of your mouth. So if your mouth is not cleaned after eating, a lot of it remains there, and that's where the bacteria starts to go, and that's what causes the odor. So make sure you're cleaning your tongue. I actually bought a tongue cleaner, and that works really good. So make sure you guys, you don't have to buy a tongue cleaner. What you can do is use a spoon. A spoon works as well, but give that a try. Eating a diet low in carbs to lose or maintain weight, which is keto basically, this can result in bad breath. The reason for that is because your body is releasing ketones, and these are foul smelling chemicals, you guys, and it's released through your breath. So I have done ketogenics before, I have done a keto diet, and when I was on keto, everyone said my breath smelled like shit. So just keep that in mind. If you're doing keto, make sure you're chewing gum. And end the video, you guys. If you guys do look at the product that I did recommend, this mouthwash can help reduce your bad breath. Personally, I have not tried it myself, but I have done a lot of research to help you guys out. I've done a lot of info, a lot of research, and the reviews from people say that this is one of the best products that you can use. So if you guys do want to buy it, just simply click on the link in the description box. You guys can give it a go. Comment below, let me know. But I guarantee you that you guys will not be disappointed by this product. So give it a go, try it out. If you don't want to, that's fine. I gave you guys a ton of tips. So try some of these tips up. If these tips don't work, you can try the product. You don't need to try the product, you guys. You can just do the tips. The tips will work. So end the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please share the video and like the video. Thanks for watching.